Technology in America. From the American perspective, technology is far more than a set of tools or inventions. It is central to national identity, economic growth, and cultural life. Americans have long viewed their country as a land of innovation, where new machines, systems, and ideas drive progress and help solve problems. Over time, technological change in the United States has transformed agriculture, industry, transportation, communication, medicine, warfare, and everyday living, shaping how Americans see themselves and their place in the world. At the same time, technology has raised complex questions about inequality, privacy, labor, and the environment. Understanding technology in America means examining not only the inventions themselves, but also how Americans have used, celebrated, debated, and sometimes feared them. Early industrialization and the American system. In the early 19th century, the United States began shifting from a rural agrarian society toward an industrial economy. From the American perspective, this period laid the foundation for a national story of ingenuity and practical problem solving. The development of interchangeable parts, water-powered mills, and mechanized production techniques contributed to what historians have called the American system of manufactures. This system relied on several distinctive features: widespread sharing of mechanical knowledge, the substitution of specialized tools for skilled hand labor, and the use of standardized parts to assemble complex products. Americans prided themselves on adapting European technologies and creating their own innovations that fit local conditions, such as abundant land and resources, but initially limited skilled labor. The expansion of canals and railroads in the mid-1800s further integrated regional markets and facilitated westward expansion, reinforcing the idea that technology could knit together a vast continent. Telegraphs and railways were among the first technologies that dramatically shrank distance for Americans. Samuel Morse's telegraph, first demonstrated in the 1840s, enabled near-instant communication across long distances, while the Transcontinental Railroad, completed in 1869, connected the Atlantic and Pacific coasts. For many Americans, these achievements symbolize national unity and modern progress. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the United States was undergoing a second industrial transformation. Electrification, advances in steel production, and the rise of large corporations allowed for unprecedented scale and efficiency in manufacturing and services. American inventors and entrepreneurs like Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, and Henry Ford became cultural icons, embodying the belief that individual initiative and technological creativity could generate both wealth and social change. The spread of electric power transformed American cities and industries. Factories could operate more flexibly, homes and streets could be lit at night, and new appliances gradually altered domestic life. The telephone enabled real-time voice communication, reshaping business practices and personal relationships. At the same time, the assembly line, most famously used by Ford to mass-produce automobiles, made complex products affordable to ordinary Americans, fueling consumer culture and suburbanization. From an American perspective, these innovations reinforced a narrative of technology as democratizing. Cars allowed greater mobility, electrical appliances reduced some household labor, and mass-produced goods made modern conveniences accessible to more people. Yet, they also contributed to concerns about monopolies, worker exploitation, and environmental impacts, prompting regulatory responses and labor movements. In the 20th century, especially after 1900, the United States increasingly invested in scientific research as a foundation for technological leadership. At the start of the century, American science lagged behind Europe in some fields, but this changed rapidly with the growth of research universities, federal funding, and industrial laboratories. The influx of European scientists in the 1930s, particularly those fleeing Nazi persecution, further accelerated this trend, especially in physics and related disciplines. World War II was a turning point. From the American perspective, wartime mobilization demonstrated the power of coordinated science and technology. Projects like radar, advanced aircraft, and most dramatically, the Manhattan Project for nuclear weapons showcased how government, academia, and industry could collaborate on massive, complex technological challenges. This experience influenced post-war policy, leading to sustained federal support for research and development and establishing what some call the American Innovation System. During the Cold War, technology became a central arena of competition with the Soviet Union. Americans viewed achievements like the Apollo moon landing as proof of national ingenuity and superiority, while also fearing nuclear weapons and missile technology that could threaten survival. The space race led to major investments in science education, computing, and engineering, with long-term benefits for civilian technology. From the late 20th century onward, information technology dramatically reshaped American life. Early computers, developed with significant government and military support, evolved from room-sized machines into personal computers and eventually smartphones. The development of ARPANET, a U.S. Defense Research Network, laid the groundwork for the modern Internet, which was later opened to commercial and public use and transformed global communication. From an American perspective, the digital revolution reinforced the nation's image as a center of innovation. Silicon Valley and other tech hubs became synonymous with entrepreneurship, disruptive business models, and rapid technological change. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and later numerous social media and platform firms reshaped how Americans work, shop, learn, and socialize. The internet and mobile technologies enabled new forms of connection and access to information. Americans could communicate instantaneously, access vast knowledge resources, and participate in online communities. At the same time, concerns emerged about privacy, data collection, cybersecurity, misinformation, and the impact of social media on mental health and democratic discourse. Debates intensified over the power of large tech companies and the need for regulation. Throughout American history, technological change has affected jobs and economic structure. Mechanization of agriculture reduced the need for farm labor, pushing people towards cities and industrial employment. Automation and robotics in manufacturing changed factory work. More recently, digital technologies and artificial intelligence have altered service sector jobs and professional work. From an American perspective, technology has often been celebrated for boosting productivity, creating new industries, and raising living standards overall, yet these gains have not been evenly distributed. Some communities and workers have experienced job loss and economic dislocation when industries declined or moved, contributing to regional inequalities and political tensions. The fear that automation or AI may replace human labor has a long history, resurfacing with each new wave of innovation. Responses have included calls for retraining, education, social safety nets, and new forms of work organization. Career and technical education programs, for instance, have evolved to prepare Americans for changing technological demands in fields ranging from manufacturing to healthcare and information technology. Still, questions remain about how to ensure that technological progress benefits broad segments of society rather than primarily those who own or design the technologies. For most Americans, technology is experienced not through grand national projects, but in daily routines: transportation, communication, entertainment, healthcare, and home life. The spread of automobiles and highways shaped suburban living and commuting, while television and later streaming services influenced culture, politics, and family time. Home appliances, from washing machines to microwaves, altered household labor patterns with gender implications. In healthcare, technologies such as imaging devices, electronic medical records, and telemedicine have changed diagnosis, treatment, and patient experience. While many Americans value advanced medical technologies, they also face issues of cost, access, and complexity. Education has been heavily influenced by technology as well, from film projectors and televisions to computers and online learning platforms. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted both the possibilities and limitations of remote learning, underscoring disparities in broadband access and digital literacy. From the American perspective, technology has often been associated with mastery over nature, harnessing resources, reshaping landscapes, and overcoming physical limitations. However, growing awareness of environmental impacts has challenged this view. Industrial pollution, fossil fuel use, and climate change have prompted debates about sustainable technologies, renewable energy, and environmental regulation. Americans have increasingly grappled with ethical issues around technology, genetic engineering, surveillance, AI decision-making, and the social consequences of digital platforms. These debates raise questions about who controls technology, how it should be used, and what values should guide its development. Some see American technological leadership as an opportunity to pioneer greener, more responsible innovations. Others worry that economic and geopolitical competition may prioritize speed over ethics. Public discourse about technology now often intertwines with discussions about privacy, civil liberties, and global responsibility. Finally, technology is tightly woven into American self-understanding. Stories of inventors, entrepreneurs, and engineers, whether in the age of the telegraph, the automobile, or the smartphone, reinforce narratives of creativity, individual initiative, and practical problem solving. The idea that America is a place where the future is made remains powerful. At the same time, Americans increasingly recognize that technology is not neutral. It reflects choices about design, access, and purpose. And the challenge from an American perspective is to align technological innovation with democratic values, social justice, and long-term sustainability. Technology in America, viewed from an American perspective, is both a source of pride and a subject of ongoing debate. It has driven economic growth, reshaped daily life, and enhanced national power, while also contributing to inequalities, environmental pressures, and ethical dilemmas. The United States has repeatedly adapted its institutions, education systems, and policies to harness technological change and cope with its disruptions. As new waves of innovation, such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and advanced networks emerge, Americans continue to ask familiar questions. Who benefits? Who is left behind? How can technology serve human flourishing rather than undermine it? The answers will shape not only the next chapter of American technological history, but also the broader story of the nation's identity and role in the world.